In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an App Store gift card. If you've received an App Store gift card and you want to add the balance to your Apple account, the process is quick and simple on iPhone. Once redeemed, that balance can be used for a variety of Apple purchases, so it's useful to know exactly where to go and what to tap. To get started, take your gift card and look for the 16-digit code on the back. In many cases, the code is covered by a label, so you may need to peel it off or gently scratch it away to reveal the full code. Make sure the code is clearly visible before moving on, especially if you plan to enter it manually. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once the App Store is open, look in the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will open your account menu, where you'll find several account-related options. From there, tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. This is the section that allows you to add the value of the card directly to your Apple account balance. At this point, you'll usually see two options. The first is to use your camera to scan the code. This is often the fastest method, since your iPhone can automatically detect the code from the card. If you choose this option, just follow the on-screen prompts and position the card so the code is visible to the camera. The second option is to enter the code manually. If the camera isn't picking it up properly, or if you simply prefer typing it in yourself, tap Enter Code manually and carefully type the 16-digit code exactly as it appears on the card. Take your time here, because entering even one character incorrectly can prevent the redemption from going through. Once the code has been scanned or typed in, tap Redeem. After that, the gift card value will be added to your Apple account balance. After you redeem the card, you can use that balance to buy apps and games from the App Store, make in-app purchases, pay for Apple Music, subscribe to iCloud Plus, and cover other Apple subscriptions and services. That means your balance can go beyond just app purchases and help pay for ongoing digital services as well. And that's all there is to it. If you follow these steps carefully, redeeming an App Store gift card on iPhone should only take a minute or two.